Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find old voice messages on iMessage. All right, so before digging into some methods, we would need to confirm a setting. So go ahead and open up the Settings app. Now find Apps at the very bottom, right here. Now go to find Messages. Tap on it, and then scroll down and find Audio Messages right here. Make sure that this one is set to Never, as if it's set to after 2 minutes, any voice messages that was opened and it has passed the 2-minute mark, it will be automatically deleted. So there's no point on checking for old voice messages rather than checking your file section if you have saved a voice message. So go ahead and open up the file section. You can just basically browse through the folders right here and check, or under recents, you'll have something like audio message.caf or CAF, and that's one way to find old voice message. All right, let's say you have it turned on, or you have the setting turned on and set to never. Where do we find old messages or voice messages? So first option right here, you can go ahead and go to the messaging app right here, swipe down until you find the search bar and just type down the contact. All right, for example, this contact right here, and you'll be able to see a list of messages and also voice messages right here as well. So when you can go ahead and tap on messages with this contact, you can find a link in the photo section. Okay, you can just basically check if there are voice messages. Now, you could also check your trash right here at the top right. Tap on edit, tap on show recently deleted. And then if there are messages right here, for example, this one, you can tap on recover and check if the voice message is available here as well. And lastly, you could go ahead and go back to settings right here. Now we are going to find general and then iPhone storage. Wait a bit, scroll down and find messages. And then you're going to want to tap on either photos or others. Okay. So when you go ahead and tap on it, any preserved raw audio message files will be here. So you can just browse through the list and look for the specific old voice message. And those are the ways to find old voice messages on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.